Good afternoon. Today is day 10 of the Junk Journal Challenge, Junk Journal July Challenge, which is hosted by Make Journals and Get Messy Art. And I am Sylvia Phillips, the crafty old lady. Today's prompt is stripped back, and I think we had this one in Junk Journal July last year or something similar to it. And so I thought I would do something similar in this challenge, or this year's challenge. I've got my brown paper and I've got my little focal point. I'm going to cut out a square, but I'm not going to cut it all out. I'm just going to open it up and kind of curl it back a little bit. And I'm going to open it up to reveal my little bunny family inside. So let's do that. We'll start with a little poke in the middle here, and we're just going to do some little strips up to the little line of my frame. Probably should have torn them. And actually I'm going to glue this down and hope that I get my paper in the right spot. Well, actually I could glue it right to here. So I think I'll tape it actually to there. Okay, so I'm going to tape my little image onto the back of this brown paper. Get my tape out here, and just that way I'll know exactly where it is and I don't have to worry about figuring that out. And oops, so now we can scrunchy up this opening papers here. Uh-oh. I did it upside down. Well, that's okay. It'll just be lower. And now we can just strip back our paper to reveal the little bunny family inside. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down, but that's not all I'm going to do. I'm going to decorate it a little bit. So I'll put the glue on the paper. I'm running out of glue. I have another one though. Hope you're all doing well. And if you're wondering if I'm filming on the same day as yesterday's, I am. I filmed a lot of them on the same day. That's why I have the same clothes on. Okay, so that's gonna go right on here. Make sure we're not upside down. Kind of grungy. I actually meant to scrunch it up more and I forgot. But so that's stripped back to see our little bunny family. And now I have to figure out what else I can do to decorate this a little bit. I thought I would rip these up a little bit more and fold them back and glue them down so that they don't look so much like little weird little triangles. I think I'll try to do that with glue stick and then just kind of glue them down in weird little position. Oh, I think I'm running out of glue. We'll leave some of them up. Oop. And some down, curled down. I don't think my glue stick is going to work. Not enough of it. So, let's do this. And kind of scrunch them up. They just don't look raggedy enough. Let's see. You might be hearing my daughter snoring now. She's falling asleep. Okay. Yeah, COVID has been hard on a lot of people with special needs, let me tell you, but things are starting to happen now. And she's going to be starting some activities next week, and she has expressed an interest in moving to a group home. So we'll see how that goes. My husband and I aren't getting any younger, that's for sure. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Ink that up a little bit. And I think I'm going to just kind of try to get some vines going on around it, just to make it look more like a little rabbit den. One day I was out looking in my garden, and underneath my my blue flag irises, there was suddenly a bunny nest in there, and you never would have guessed that, ever, that there was anything in there. And then all of a sudden all these bunnies came out. And they were very cute, I have to say. So, yeah, I think I need to make it a little bit darker. I'm getting some on that page over there. That's okay. Let's see, one right there. A couple down there. I want it to be dark enough to see, and then we'll just kind of curl it around. Because they sure can hide in plain sight, let me tell you. We had a woodchuck across the street that had 3 babies. One day we were just sitting out on the porch, and this woodchuck came running right across in the yard in front of us. Well, I think that looks pretty cool. It looks like a big circle of a vine. See, put some just individual leaves in places. I think that looks pretty viney. I think it would be even vinier. It's usually pretty thick where they will put their nests. I want it to look full. Let's see. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Alright, so I added the vine and some flowers, and I wonder if I should put a couple of leaves in here. Maybe I'll do that. Let's see now. There. That looks good. My hands are all yucky. Okay, so this is my finished spread for challenge number 10, stripped back. I stripped back my paper to reveal a bunny nest, and then I made a wreath of leaves and flowers, and I also stenciled some vines on there. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we will see you again tomorrow, and for challenge number 11, which is paper samples. Paper samples. That should be an easy one for me. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.